sitting in 1,300% profit. Sean is sitting at 624% profit,
Nice.
which is not bad.
Not bad.
So that's how the full margin Olympics works. And then from HFM side, on the full margin Olympics, in first prize they're giving you a PlayStation 5. So if you win the full margin Olympics, you get a PlayStation 5. If you come out second in the full margin Olympics, they give you $1,000, which is about 18 to 19,000 rand. And then if you come out in third place, they give you $500, which is about 10 grand, 9 grand. Right, so if you think you're a good trader, enter the full margin Olympics. It only costs $30 to fund, so minimum deposit is $30. How do you open a full margin Olympics account? You log into your HFM profile. You click the 3 lines on the top right hand side screen, or you click the menu button on the HFM app. You go to promotions, you go to HFM Full Margin Olympics Volume 2. And then you scroll down and you open a full margin Olympics trading account. If you're trading with Fxwarroom, then you need to put your name and Fxwarroom next to it for the account nickname. That means you're on our team, and then you rank like that on the list. But yeah, that's how the full margin Olympics works. At the moment, we call out all those guys on TikTok. I don't see any of them on the list. I don't see any of them making out videos. I call them out. None of them made videos about me. So we're still waiting to see what happens. I think they're busy blowing their accounts, so they're not saying anything.
No,
they're not saying anything.
Wow.
Yeah, I hope so. They pull up because we're taking this seriously. You know, our respect is on the line, reputation is on the line. So it is what it is.
Yeah, so.
I can't, eh?
It's that time now.
It's that time now.
To see who's the real traders now.
Exactly.
There's no time.
You know, people talk shit on social media about
Yeah.
this, about that, and whatever it is. But now we're telling you, hey, there's a platform to see who's the best of the best, and then nobody's joining.
And
So I don't understand.
You can even invite them on the podcast here.
Yeah. 100%.
Anyone
We'll
who-
invite them on the podcast.
Yeah. Whoever comes on topics,
Yeah.
pull up and let's talk about it.
So the full margin Olympics now, the volume 2 is running from the 1st of February till 31st of March. So the guys have time to enter. So there is time.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So which means let's see what's gonna happen. We keep on saying, come on guys, let's see.
Yeah.
It's born. Yeah, man.
Hey.